In today's digital world, cyber attacks are an ever-growing threat. Hackers are constantly evolving their tactics, putting our sensitive data at risk. That's where cybersecurity certifications come in. They're your golden ticket to a stronger defense and a thriving career in this critical field. So let's dive right in. Why should you care about cybersecurity certifications? Here are some compelling reasons proof of expertise certifications aren't just a piece of paper. They validate that you have the knowledge and skills to protect systems and data. Think of them like a badge of honor. Competitive edge in a crowded job market. Certifications set you apart. They show employers that you're serious about cybersecurity and invested in your professional growth. Increased earning potential. Certified cybersecurity professionals often command higher salaries. It's the simple rule of supply and demand. Your expertise is valuable. Staying ahead of the curve. Cybersecurity isn't a set it and forget it field. Hackers get smarter and technology changes. Certifications ensure you're always learning and keeping your skills sharp. Now, you probably want to know which certifications are the most in demand and respected in the industry. Let's take a look at some heavy hitters. CompTIA Security, a great entry-level certification for anyone interested in cybersecurity. It covers the basics of network security, incident response, and threat mitigation. CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. This is considered the gold standard for experienced professionals. Ideal if you aim for a leadership role in cybersecurity. CISA, Certified Information Systems Auditor. Perfect if you enjoy auditing systems and ensuring compliance with security regulations. CA, Certified Ethical Hacker. Like the idea of beating hackers at their own game, the CH teaches you the techniques they use so you can better defend against them. This is just a glimpse. There are many other specialized certifications for cloud security, forensics, and more. Okay, you might be thinking, I'm sold. How do I get these certifications? Here's the breakdown. 1. Choosing the right research certifications that align with your career goals and current experience level. Training options. Look for training resources like online courses, boot camps, or self-study. Consider your learning style and budget. The exam experience. Exams are usually rigorous. Be prepared for multiple choice questions, simulations, or even essay sections. Maintaining your creds. Most certifications require continuing education credits to stay valid. This keeps you current in this fast-changing field. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear some inspiring stories. Samantha's story. I started as an help desk worker. After getting my security, I landed a cybersecurity analyst role. It was definitely a game changer. Michael's journey. I was concerned about ageism in the tech industry. My CISSP helped me transition into a senior security consultant position. It reinvigorated my career. In the battle against cyber threats, cybersecurity certifications are your powerful weapons. They boost your credibility, your career opportunities, and your ability to make a real difference.